It is Diwali, the festival of lights. Families come together to celebrate. They decorate their homes with flowers and colorful lights. Children create Rangoli designs on the floor. They light small lamps called Diyas. Families eat sweets, dance, and sing together. They give gifts to relatives and friends. Fireworks light up the sky with beautiful colors. Many families visit temples to pray and seek blessings for the year ahead. Diwali is a time of love, light, and joy. Let's share happiness and spread light everywhere. Happy Diwali!